Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to install WhatsApp on the POCO X4 GT. To install WhatsApp, the first thing we should do is to go to the Play Store. And here's the Play Store. And when you are in your Play Store, then you can see a lot of apps here. Okay, so the first thing you should do is to search for and then it will show WhatsApp Messenger. And here you can see we have 167 million reviews and 5 billion downloads. Okay, so we can click here on install, but we can also look here at the different screenshots and other information, of course, and ratings and reviews. So I click on install, and then it will download the WhatsApp Messenger, and you can see how fast it was. So I can click here on open, but will also find this app on another place. Here in WhatsApp. Okay, so I click here on WhatsApp, and then it will say welcome to WhatsApp. And then you can one time click on agree and continue and just enter your phone number. And I will enter now my phone number so I get the verification information from WhatsApp. Okay, I click on next. You enter his phone number. Is this okay? Yes, it's okay. And then we will wait a few seconds, and then you can see, wow, verification completed. It did everything automatically. So now I can import, grant access to contacts and media, and I say yes, allow, and photos and media. Otherwise, WhatsApp cannot search for my contacts and cannot reach out for my photos. So this should be what you should do. So if you previously backed up to your Google Drive and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. If you have a backup, then you should give permission, but I click now on skip, and I will type now my name here. It's Alpa, and I can just choose another image. So I click on camera, and only this time, and agree, and then I can make okay while using the app. Okay, and I can click on this one here. Okay, let's take a look. I will take this. Okay, and this looks a little bit better, and I will say here he always change this. Okay, so I click next, and then it's initializing, and after a while you can see here I'm getting some messages from people who are just making spam, so I can just hopefully delete them. So I think I want to delete them. Okay, delete chat and delete chat. Okay, there are a lot of messages coming in. Okay, so this is how you install WhatsApp with a lot of messages from people on your POCO X4 GT. I hope this video helped you a little bit, and you can see it only took about 2.5 minutes. So really, really easy. If you liked this video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.